Hi everyone, my name is Xyrielle and I just want to share to you what I discovered online. So I'm seeing a lot of good posts about this Herbishh Color Shampoo, and I do love getting my hair done. So when I saw this, it just has 5 easy steps. You can do it in the comforts of your home without you grueling an hour or two at the salon. So I read the how to use process and I already did my skin test. So I want to open this. I want to try it with you guys so you would see how good it is, because everyone is raving about it and I just want to know what the fuzz is all about. So, oh, the bottle, oh my god, it looks so great. It's hand carry and you can bring it anywhere you go if you want to update the color of your hair. Looks awesome. So I can also see the gloves that you need to use so that you can avoid staining your fingers or your hands, especially your nails if you're, you have nail polish or something. And oh my gosh, there's even a freebie. I can see that they have this hair mask with argan oil. And I think you're gonna use this as a conditioner after you color your hair so it will still look fresh and healthy. So yeah, come on, get ready with me and just watch the video. There you have it, it's done. Oh my god, I love the full coverage that Herbishh gives, and also the argan oil. It makes my hair soft, and also there's no residual smell. It's amazing. I'm actually gonna be using this already, and it's a must-have into your daily life. Again, this is my new best friend. You should try it, and I'm sure you'll never regret it. Herbishh all the way. Thank you.